Last, I also want to talk about how you create a box and whisker plot on your calculator. Once again, if you scroll through the notes, you will find a screen telling you how to do a box and whisker plot. It is really simple, particularly if you've already done a histogram. So if we go back to our data on shoe size again, I'm going to once again add a new page, and it's going to be data and statistics. I'm going to ask it to do shoe size and graph it. But then, as with the histogram, I want to tell it, nope, change, I want you to do a box plot. So I'm going to go Menu, change the plot type to a box plot. Okay, it's automatically going to form that into a box and whisker plot for you. If there are outliers, it will display the outliers. In this case, our shoe size information was not likely to have outliers. We weren't that widespread, and we certainly didn't have anybody with extremely small or extremely large feet. So we have a nice box and whisker plot there. It's pretty much that simple. If you wanted to alter the scaling at the bottom, where it starts and ends, you could go change your window settings. The one thing you may want to do is, if you want to see what the different sections of it are, if you can get your cursor out there. Now, why it just added a point, I think because I clicked it. Let me see if I can undo that. Let me go back through that again. So I'm not quite sure all of a sudden why we got, yeah. I think since I clicked out there, it caused me to have more data. So I shouldn't do that with my pen. But I'm now going to go actually ask it to show me the different portions of the box and whisker plot. So in that case, once again, you're wanting to do for analyze. And at the bottom again, A, graph trace. So it's now going to tell me, and it's putting on, I'm not quite sure now why it's putting the outlier on again. It's telling me 6 is an outlier, 7 is the bottom of the whisker. Quartile 1 is at 10. The next quartile is median's at 11. Quartile 1's at 12. And the top part of the whisker is at 14. So creating a box plot, pretty simple.